Today, we're diving into a Domestika bestseller, a course that promises to teach you one of the trickiest skills in art, drawing the human face. We're going to look at why over 150,000 people have signed up and figure out if it's the right course for you. Let's get into it. So, if you've ever picked up a pencil and tried to draw someone's portrait, you know how hard it can be, right? Getting the proportions just right, capturing a real likeness, it's a huge hurdle for so many artists, beginners and pros alike. It can feel like this impossible mountain to climb. And yet, there's this one particular online course that has managed to build this incredible, massive community all focused on tackling that exact challenge. I mean, just look at that number. Over 150,000 students. That's like the entire population of a small city, all trying to learn how to draw faces. So, what's the deal with this course? Why is it such a phenomenon? Okay, first things first, let's talk about what this course actually promises. What is the goal it sets out for all those thousands and thousands of students? So, here's the key idea. It's not about creating one single perfect portrait. The real goal is to give you the fundamental building blocks. How to draw eyes, noses, getting the proportions right, and then using a sketchbook to practice and actually see yourself getting better over time. It's all about tracking that journey on paper.
Of course, any great course needs a great teacher. So who's the artist guiding all of these people on their portrait drawing journey?
Your instructor is Gabriela Niko, a freelance illustrator based in Poland. And her backstory is really interesting. She grew up in a family of artists, went to the Academy of Fine Arts, but she also worked for a decade designing sports apparel before she went full-time with her art. It's this cool mix of classical training and a modern career that's helped her build a huge Instagram following of her own. All right, so we know the goal and we've met the guide. Now let's look at the roadmap. How does the course actually get you from a totally blank page to a finished portrait? Let's break down that journey. The curriculum is laid out in 4 pretty clear stages. You start with the basics and finding inspiration. Then you dive into the nitty-gritty of facial structure. From there, it's all about the main project, and then finally, you even learn how to photograph and share what you've made. It's a really logical flow from learning to doing to showing it off. And this is what I love, the practical result. The course doesn't just leave you hanging with a bunch of theory. By the time you're done, you are expected to have a tangible thing to show for it. 3 different portraits from 3 essential angles. This is really the ultimate test of everything you've just learned. Okay, with so many students, you know there's going to be a ton of feedback, but is it all positive? Let's dig into what people are actually saying to get the full picture. Wow, okay, that top-line number is really strong. A 95% positive rating from almost 3,000 reviews? That is a huge thumbs up. Clearly, the vast majority of people feel like they got their money's worth. A lot of the positive reviews are super simple and to the point. Just like this one that says, Curso excelente, excellent course. You see this kind of direct praise again and again, which tells you people are really happy with the core lessons. But it's not a perfect score. This review brings up a really important piece of criticism. They say, quote, "It seemed like a scam. 80% of the time she is silent." And this points to a potential mismatch in what students expect from a teacher. Some people want constant talking and explanation, which it sounds like this course doesn't always have. So when you boil down all the feedback, a clear picture starts to form. On the pro side, people love the extra downloadable stuff and say it's a fantastic way to get back into drawing. But on the con side, the biggest complaint by far is about those long silent periods and a want for more detailed verbal step-by-step instructions. Okay, we've seen the promise, the instructor, the curriculum, and what students think. So we're down to the final, most important question. Should you be the next person to sign up? Well, first off, the barrier to entry is ridiculously low. All you really truly need is a pencil and a sketchbook. The whole digital editing thing with an app, that's totally optional. So it's about as accessible as it gets. And here we go. This might be the most crucial detail to think about. The course is officially listed as intermediate level, but the requirement says no previous experience is necessary. That little contradiction might explain all the mixed feedback. A total beginner might get frustrated with the watch and learn style, but someone who already has some drawing experience might find it to be the perfect way to level up their skills. Ultimately, this course is built around one central idea: that consistent practice in a simple sketchbook is the true path to getting better. For over 150,000 people, that idea was powerful enough to get them to join. So the real question is, Could that simple, focused approach be the thing that finally unlocks the artist in you? If you want to check out the course in more detail, we've put the link for you down in the description.